Hey everybody, welcome back to Truly Outrageous. I'm Neil. And last time we drew Jack Skellington, and because The Nightmare Before Christmas is one of my favorite movies to watch at Christmas time, and at Halloween time for that matter, I figured we would carry on with drawing a couple more of those characters. So today I thought we would draw Jack's girlfriend, Sally. But before we get into that, a couple things. Go ahead and smash that like button, and subscribe down below. And also, we want to see what you guys have been up to, what you've been drawing. So if you have a drawing that you're really proud of, go ahead and send that over to us. I'll leave my email address in the description below. But with that said, and no further ado, let's get into it. Here we go. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So for this drawing, you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need a marker like this one. You can also use a pencil if you want to. And then for coloring, you're going to need some markers or crayons or colored pencils or whatever you have that is colorful. Okay, let's get started. So for the first step here, we're really going to draw her brow line. So that starts about here, and that's going to curve around like this, all the way over to here, like that. Next, we're going to draw the side of her face. That kind of comes down like this. And then on this side, it's a little curvy because some of her hair is coming across her face. So next, we're going to draw her jaw. And that's going to be a curved line down like this. And it's going to stop right about the center of her face. Then we're going to curve that line back up to the other side of her face. So you can kind of see the shape of it right there. All right, next we're going to draw her left eye. So we're going to start about the center of her face, and we're going to draw an arch like so, all the way up like that, and all the way over to the side like this. Then we're going to draw the under part of that eye. We're going to swoop down like this. Sally's got some big eyes, just like that. Now we're going to draw her right eye. So we're going to try and make this as even as possible with the top of the eye there. So we're going to curve a line, but we're also going to include part of the nose. So we're going to draw that line down like that. And then we're going to come around on this side, go about there, drop this line down and around, and come up there. Next, we're going to draw the top of her nose, just kind of a curved line like this. And then the under part of her nose is kind of a triangle. So one line like this, and then the other line is going to go out like that. So now we're just going to give an indication of the side of the nose, which is going to be like a line like that. And then we're going to add some irises. Like I said, that irises. Kind of spooky. Anyway, we'll add some irises right here and color those in. And then another one over here. And we're going to color that one in too. All right, everybody keeping up? Let's move on. So now we're going to draw her mouth. So that's going to be a line that starts from about here. It's going to curve down and stop like that. Kind of almost like we did the chin right here. It's going to be the same line going back up. Actually, extend that a little bit further there. All right. Now we're going to draw her lips, and this one is almost like an M shape. So we're going to come up like this, curve under like this, and then we'll close it out like that. So you can see kind of the M shape like that. And then we'll draw the lower lip here, and she's kind of making an ooh face because she's staring at Jack's Christmas display that he brought from Christmastown. She's got the ooh going on. So we're gonna draw a lip out like this, and then we're gonna curve up like this. And then next we are going to draw the not the lower lip. If you're upside down, maybe it is the upper lip, and we'll draw just a hint of the connection to the bottom lip there and color that in. So you can see how she's kind of making the ooh face. Next, we're going to draw the stitches that are in her mouth. So I like to do, you can just kind of make these however you want to. They're just lines. She does have kind of like ones that cross like an X, so you can feel free to put those in there, but they don't need to be in any particular placing or distance apart from each other. Just kind of have fun with it. All right. And then we're going to draw a curved line up here and draw some more stitches. So she got more stitches over here. She's kind of like a rag doll, but a cooler rag doll that can like put herself back together. All right. Next, we're going to draw her eyelids. So they start about here. We're going to curve them over to here. Same thing on this side. We're going to start about here, and we're going to curve them over and stop right there. Next, we're going to draw her eyelashes. Really are not eyelashes. They almost look like they're the ends of thread coming out of material. So I'll show you what I mean here. There, you start right here, which is not actually connected to where your eyelashes would really be. So you're going to pull up like this, put another one and pull up like that. So you can see they kind of make a V pattern there. It's the same thing, and it just keeps going. And she's got 4 of these V pattern eyelash dealies. Excuse me, 5, sorry. I can't count today. I can't count any day, so don't count on me. That was a pun. All right, not funny. Anyway, moving on, we'll do the other side now. So we'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So there we go. She's got beautiful stitchy eyes. Or eyelashes. Eyelashes. I can't talk today either. Okay, and she's got a little bit of eyeshadow. So let's go and take these lines here that represent her eyelids, and we're going to make them just a little thicker, so it looks like eyeshadow. Or excuse me, not eyeshadow, eyeliner. Take it easy on me, I'm a guy. I don't wear this stuff. All right, so make that a little thicker there. A little thicker there. Or is it mascara? Let me know in the comments. I don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to female makeup. Anyway. Okay, now that we have her face, we're gonna go ahead and draw her hair. So her hair starts about right here, and she's got a curve that comes out like this, and it gets real close to her face. And then it just kind of pulls down, like so. Then we've got the next part, has a little bit of a curve in there, comes out like this, pulls down. See, it's got that piece of hair that's in part of her face, goes down, out, and down again. And then there's a curved line to indicate sort of the fold over of her hair. So there's one over here on this side, and there's another one that comes right off the the brow there, and that just pulls down into that other line. Okay, next we're gonna draw her neck. So her neck starts about right here, and it just is a straight line down like that. The back part of her neck curves in a bit, and she's got a really long neck, so don't worry about going too far because she has a very, very long neck. And we're just going to pull down a little bit here, and we'll come back like so, and like so, just to kind of cap off her neck there, so we don't have enough space to put on her full body. Okay, I'm back. I realized that the camera was kind of cutting off the lower part of my paper there, so I went and moved the camera and made some adjustments there. So, without further ado, we shall carry on. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is just kind of draw the collar of her shirt. And that's gonna go up here like this. It's got a little bit of a bend in it because it's, you know, fabric and it kind of moves around, and that bend comes out of the other side here, pulls around like this. There's another little bend there, and then it's gonna cap off right there. All right, and then we're going to draw her left shoulder here, so that kind of bends in like that. The material's kind of bumpy, and then it's gonna bend in like this because there's a big seam in her dress right there where it connects to the shoulder sleeve. But I'm going to cap this off at the bottom like that, and another one over here like that, because we're not going to be showing the entire body. All right, and then her other shoulder, her right shoulder, you're going to draw a little curve like that. It's going to come up over here like so, and oops, little boo-boo, but that's okay, I fixed it. Okay. And then you're gonna draw just kind of a curved line down, and that represents that seam on the right side that connects to the shoulder sleeve. Okay, now we are going to fill in the rest of her hair. So that's gonna start right here. Just go ahead and pull that down, connect it to the shoulder there. This one's going to pull down, curve just a little bit like that, connect to the other shoulder. And then she's got a couple of stitches on her neck and her upper chest. So one stitch line comes down like this, and it's got a couple of stitches. And then the other stitch line, it goes almost down the center of her body, but it bends as it goes over her chest, like so. And then she's got another stitch line that comes out from here like this, and then it kind of curves over on this side too. And then of course with the stitch line, you got some stitches. So go ahead and just fill those in however you want. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna do some designs on her shirt. So she's got kind of these spiral patterns on her shirt on the left side here. So we'll just draw a curved line like this, down to the bottom. There's another curved line like this, because we're drawing that curved part of the spiral. And if you want to put another one right there, that's good too. There's another one that comes up over here and around like so. And over here and around like so. And then we'll do the spiral part right there. And there's another one behind there. We'll just kind of indicate that with a couple curved lines. Now we're gonna draw some line indications in her hair. Her hair is kind of like flat ribbons. So I'll show you what I mean. We're gonna start right here, and we're gonna pull a curved line out like this. Go back over to this line right here. It's kind of like the center of her hairline. We're gonna pull a line over like this, and just keep going with those. All right, and that is your completed Sally. Now, I'm going to put my black marker down. Maybe I'll pick it up, I don't know. I'll pick it up again sometime. But I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna put it down, I'm gonna grab my colors, and I'm gonna get coloring. And I'll do that in super fast motion so you guys don't get bored. I'll be right back. All right, there you have it, your fully colored Sally. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with us doing this drawing. I certainly had a lot of fun, and I bet you guys' artwork looks great. By the way, be sure to send us your favorite drawing that you've done. Like I said, I will put that email address in the description below. Thanks again for joining us. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye!